All right, let's try a Martin base. Haven't got it down to a T, but I'm getting there. Take a little bit of damage. Nothing is fully repaired right now, so I can't really tell you how much damage it gets, but it gets a little bit. First thing I do, I bring in my Nicktoon. Darkstorm, Lancer, 2 excavators, and Nova. So just go in, I'm going to shoot. Okay, come on, Nova. Get going. Shoot. So I'm going to shoot this, and what it'll do is it'll clear the front. These guys are just here for protection. Nova will shoot this several times, and it'll blow up, and it'll clear up most of the front. It just makes it easier when I use my chopper company. Okay, one more shot, and you're done. Okay, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Clear these guys out. All right. Bring the Nova over. Get him to start to shoot. Put him on hold. Bring the rest over. They're just going to protect him. Good enough right there. Right now, all they're doing is the Nova is shooting this, and it'll kill the front. And so you won't have to deal with all this with your chopper company. Chopper takes less damage that way. Okay, let's put them all on hold. Select. They're now all on hold now. We're just going to leave them. We're going to ignore them. We're going to bring in chopper company. We're going to slowly clear out. All we're doing now is we're taking out the anti-air so that we can send in aces. Aces will clear the base. So we're just killing what will kill aces. And it'll kill a few other things because they just are there and you have to deal with them. But basically, we're just trying to kill the anti-air. So we got to get rid of seekers. We got to get rid of hunters. We won't worry about those guys. Okay, we got to deal with this guy. He's a pain in the butt. Let's just kill him. He will cause you a heartache. Okay, we got to get rid of the seekers. Come on, get over there. You see, you can't always control the chopper company the way you want. He gets so distracted. Anybody comes walking by, he just gets distracted. So that's where you get your damage. I'm learning. Haven't got it down yet, but I'm getting better. Basically, the biggest thing is the seekers, the hunter. All right, he's getting distracted again. Get him moving. That's it. Kill the seeker. Kill the other seeker. He's going to go after this guy first. Always does. Okay, he's not shooting anything. You got to get a little closer. When he's not shooting the other seeker, you're too far away. But you got to be careful. As soon as he catches on to you, just attack him. Usually he gets you and he locks on. You have no choice. You got to go after him. Sometimes he doesn't. We're going to get lucky. You're going to go after now. See, he's just out of range. When we get in range, the hunter locks on to your chopper cup. Come on, come on, come on. Get over there. Just watch him. If the hunter locks on, you're in trouble. No. You see, he's not going after him. He gets so easily distracted. We're just going to shoot him. Here's where we get a little damage. Once you get rid of the hunter, okay, get out of here. Going to do the same thing on the other side. So as you see, we get a little damage. Nothing you can do. Suck it up. If you learn how to do it better, then maybe you'll get less damage. But it's really not hard. You don't get a whole lot of damage. You can do as many bases as you want. And then when you get tired, repair. Most of the stuff we don't have to kill, because most of the stuff will not shoot aces. So we're really just getting rid of what will kill aces and some other stuff as well, because it just gets in the way. Okay, we got to get rid of the seeker up here. And he's not shooting him right now. Get rid of them. All right. That's it. Shoot that seeker. Shoot that seeker. Seeker here. Seeker here. All right. Get up here. All right. You see, he's distracted now. He's not doing what I want him to do. I got to get this seeker. Go after the seeker. There you go. You see, he's distracted by this guy. And when he gets distracted, your chopper company takes damage. So we'll just let him kill him. Okay, we'll get rid of this seeker, that seeker, the hunter, and then we're good to go. That's all we need. Got to get closer, too far away. Kill this seeker, that hunter, and then we'll bring in our aces, and the base is done. So it's not hard. Just, okay, there we go. Got him. You wish he would shoot him? Nope, he's distracted. If this guy locks on, we just go right after him. Nope, not going after him. This hunter's pretty soon going to lock onto my chopper. No, don't shoot. No, shoot the hunter. Shoot the hunter. All right, we're tired of waiting. We're just going to go after him. You can wait forever, and he'll eventually get to it, but all right, get out of here. All right, that's it. Now, we withdraw the Nicktoon. Two excavators, one Lancer, one Darkstorm, one Nova. All right. Now we'll send in the aces. The aces will clear the base. Come on. There we go. There's only a couple of things that will hurt your aces. These guys will hurt your aces. These guys will hurt your aces, so you just kill them right away. All the stuff over here, nothing will hurt you. The anti-air will hurt you. This one here will hurt you. This one here, but you just kill them right away. You get rid of the silos. That's it. Nothing else will hurt you. Just kill it at your leisure. Nothing else shoots your aces. And you're almost done. That's it. And you get a Martin token. So I can do about 6 an hour at this rate. But my Nicktoon, I have to repair a little bit. I'll come back down and get, let's see, aces get next to no damage. The other guys had damage to start with, so it's hard to tell you how much damage. You'll get 20 minutes, sometimes 40 minutes on a chopper company. It's different. 24 seconds. 24 seconds on my aces. This is an hour and 8 minutes, but this is after 5 bases. I'm at an hour and 8 minutes, so that's not too bad. And then, okay, so that's enough.